I tested all of the best drawing tablets for beginners of 2026, and in this video, I'm going to rank them in a tier list based on their value for money, overall performance, and more. Links to all of the products will be in the description below.
Wacom One. This pen display is a fantastic entry point if you want the intuitive experience of drawing directly on a screen without spending a fortune. It's super approachable for beginners and students, offering a vibrant, high-definition display that makes your creative work feel much more natural than a standard tablet. While it lacks some high-end bells and whistles like multi-touch, it's a reliable, well-built tool that won't overwhelm you during your first steps into digital art. I'm placing this in the great tier because it perfectly balances performance and accessibility for those just starting out. One by Wacom. If you are on a strict budget and just want something that works, this is the definition of a reliable workhorse. It's aggressively basic, no fancy buttons, no wireless, and no screen, but it provides a solid, pressure-sensitive drawing surface that won't hold you back while you learn the ropes. It's perfect for testing the waters of digital art without a huge financial commitment, though you will have to get used to the hand-eye coordination required for a screenless tablet. Because it's so functional and durable for the price, I'm putting this in the good tier. Wacom Intuos. This is a step up for anyone getting serious about their craft, offering a more premium feel and the convenience of wireless Bluetooth connectivity on select models. I love that it includes customizable express keys, which are a total game changer for speeding up your workflow with shortcuts. It's lightweight, portable, and precise, making it a fantastic companion for students or hobbyists who need something more capable than a basic pad. Given its versatility and the productivity boost from those shortcut keys, I'm ranking this in the great tier. Huion Canvas 13. This tablet is honestly impressive because it packs professional-level features into a compact, affordable display that gives the big-name brands a run for their money. With its fully laminated screen, you get a beautiful, low-parallax drawing experience that feels incredibly responsive and natural. The inclusion of dual mechanical dials and programmable keys makes it a powerhouse for productivity, even if the initial driver setup can be a bit finicky for some. Because it offers such an elite, feature-rich experience at a beginner-friendly price, I'm putting this in the God tier. Huion Inspiroid 2. This is a stellar choice if you want a screenless tablet that feels modern, professional, and packed with thoughtful features. The addition of a smart scroll wheel and multiple customizable shortcut keys makes it feel way more advanced than its price tag suggests, and the battery-free stylus is a dream to use for long sessions. It's perfect for beginners who want a high-performance, portable device that doesn't sacrifice control or comfort. I'm placing this in the great tier because it's a fantastic value that truly punches above its weight class. XP Pen Deco Mini 7. This little powerhouse is honestly one of the best ways to jump into digital art without emptying your wallet. I love how portable it is, making it perfect for throwing in a bag, and the pressure sensitivity feels incredibly responsive for such an affordable device. It's a fantastic choice for students or anyone just testing the waters, and because it works with Android, you aren't even tied down to a computer. I'm placing this in the great tier because it hits that perfect sweet spot of performance and value. Goem S620. This tablet is a total workhorse that really surprised me with how solid it feels despite the budget price tag. I'm a big fan of the 4 programmable shortcut keys, which make a massive difference in speeding up my workflow, and the battery-free pen is super convenient since I never have to worry about charging it. It's perfect for beginners who want something reliable for drawing or even playing games like OSU. Because it's so consistent and easy to use, I'm putting this in the great tier. This is a unique all-in-one Android tablet that's great if you want a standalone device without needing a computer, but it definitely has some limitations. I appreciate that it comes with everything you need right in the box, including a case and a pen, which is super helpful for a total beginner. However, the screen quality and processing power are just okay, and the palm rejection can be a bit finicky compared to professional gear. Since it's more of a casual multimedia device that can draw rather than a dedicated art tool, I'm ranking this in the average tier. Yuji S640. If you are looking for the absolute lowest risk way to start digital art, this is the one I'd point you toward. It's incredibly compact and lightweight, yet it still manages to pack in 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and a battery-free pen that behaves exactly how you'd expect. It's perfect for someone on a super tight budget or a student who just needs a reliable tool to build muscle memory. Because it gives you so much more than what you're paying for, I'm giving this a God-tier ranking. UG M708. I really love the extra breathing room you get with this one. That 10-inch active area is a game changer for reducing wrist fatigue during long drawing sessions. It feels like a significant step up from the smaller entry-level tablets. And those 8 customizable express keys are super handy for keeping my workflow smooth. It's a rock-solid, reliable choice for any beginner who wants a more professional feel without the high price tag. For the sheer value and comfort it provides, I'm placing this in the God tier. This is an absolute powerhouse for anyone wanting a standalone creative studio without needing a computer. I love how the Apple Pencil Pro and the high refresh rate display make every stroke feel incredibly natural and responsive. It's perfect for beginners who want a portable, all-in-one device that runs industry-leading apps like Procreate flawlessly. I'm placing this in the God tier because it's simply the most versatile and enjoyable drawing experience you can get today.
Samsung Galaxy Tab S. This tablet is a fantastic choice if you want a premium Android experience with a stylus included right in the box. I really appreciate the vibrant AMOLED display and the Wacom EMR technology in the S Pen, which gives you that classic pen-on-paper feel without needing to charge the stylus. It's perfect for students or artists who want a powerful, standalone device that handles multitasking and sketching with ease. I'm ranking this in the Great tier because it offers incredible value and performance for the price. Microsoft Surface Pro. This device is a unique beast because it's a full-blown Windows computer packed into a portable tablet form factor. I find it perfect for artists who need to run heavy desktop software like Photoshop or Clip Studio Paint while on the go, thanks to its powerful processors and versatile kickstand. It's great for professionals and serious beginners who don't want to compromise on software compatibility, even if the price is a bit steep. I'm putting this in the good tier because it's a productivity powerhouse, though it's more of a laptop replacement than a dedicated drawing tool. Huion Canvas 16. This pen display is a massive step up for anyone looking to move from a basic tablet to a professional-feeling monitor setup. I'm really impressed by the 2.5K resolution and the laminated screen, which makes drawing feel precise and parallax-free. It's perfect for beginners who have a dedicated desk setup and want a large, high-quality canvas to hone their skills without spending a fortune. I'm placing this in the Great tier because it strikes an amazing balance between professional features and affordability. XP Pen Artist 13.3 Pro. This is such a reliable, budget-friendly entry point for anyone just starting their digital art journey. I love how easy it is to set up. Just plug it into your computer and you're ready to draw, with a responsive, battery-free stylus that feels great in the hand. It's perfect for hobbyists and students who need a compact, portable display that doesn't break the bank. I'm ranking this in the good tier because while it's not as feature-packed as the high-end options, it's a fantastic, no-nonsense tool for learning the ropes. Wacom Move Ink. This is honestly such a premium, portable powerhouse that feels like a dream to draw on. The OLED screen is absolutely gorgeous, and the thin, lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to carry around for sketching on the go. While it's definitely an investment, the responsiveness and build quality are top tier for any beginner who wants to start with the best. I'm placing this in God tier. Game On M106K Pro. If you're just starting out and don't want to break the bank, this is a fantastic, reliable choice. It gives you a nice, large drawing area and plenty of customizable keys that really help speed up your workflow without any complicated setup. It might not have all the bells and whistles of the expensive stuff, but for the price, it's an absolute steal that performs consistently. I'm putting this in Great tier. Huion Inspiroi H1060p. This tablet is a total workhorse that bridges the gap between budget and professional features perfectly. I love how much space you get to draw, and having both physical and soft shortcut keys is a game changer for staying in your creative flow.
It's sturdy, reliable, and honestly, it's one of the best value for money options for someone who is serious about learning. I'm ranking this in great tier. XP Pen Deco. These series is honestly the perfect starting point for any beginner because it just removes all the barriers to entry. Whether you want something ultra portable like the smaller models or a bit more room to work with, these tablets are super responsive and come with a battery-free pen that feels great. They're easy to set up, affordable, and just let you focus on your art without any technical headaches. I'm placing these in great tier. Simban's Picasso Tab X14. I really wanted to love this one because it's a standalone tablet at a budget price, but it's just a bit too inconsistent for me. While the large screen is nice, the performance can be sluggish, and the pen experience, especially with the battery requirement, can be really frustrating when you're trying to draw. It's okay for a very casual user, but for anyone trying to actually learn and grow, it's just not reliable enough. I'm putting this in average tier. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you pick the best drawing tablet for beginners for you. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Links to all of these products mentioned in this video will be in the description.